Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stash for investing with ETFs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, go to the Stash website or download the Stash mobile app from your app store. Once you are on the home page, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to choose an account type. Select either an individual investment account or a retirement account based on your needs. After that, you will need to provide your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong for security purposes. Next, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link to verify your email. Once verified, return to the Stash platform and log in with your new credentials. You may be asked to fill out some personal information. Provide your full name, date of birth, and residential address. This information is necessary for regulatory compliance. You will also need to provide your social security number for identity verification. After entering your personal information, review and confirm your details. Next, Stash will ask about your investing experience. Answer the questions honestly to help tailor your investment options. Once completed, agree to the terms and conditions provided by Stash. After agreeing, you may need to answer a few more questions regarding your financial situation. This information will assist in determining your risk tolerance. Upon finishing this step, you will be guided to fund your account. Choose the funding method that works best for you, such as bank transfer or debit card. Enter the amount you wish to invest initially. Confirm the transaction on the following screen. Once your account is funded, you are ready to start investing in ETFs. Go to the investment dashboard and explore the available ETFs. You can read about each ETF to understand its focus and performance. Select the ETFs that match your investment strategy. Finally, make your purchase by entering the amount you want to invest in each selected ETF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.